Gnasher and Dennis the Menace usually like to play chase, but they're not playing chase at the moment. They're playing let's dig up our den. Honey's gonna join them. What are they doing, Honey? Are they scratching? Are they digging? Dennis! Dennis the Menace! Let's see what happens when we pick Dennis the Menace up. I've got a little helper that I prepared just before. Piggies look so cute. Honey, back. Okay. Piggies look so cute. And that's what happens when you pick a little piggy up. But little Dennis the Menace won't do that. He's a quiet boy.
Oh no.
I don't think he's going to let Donna pick him up.
No.
No. He knows Donna's little tricks. He says, no, she looks all sweet and then she picks me up.
No. He wants to dig up the garden.
Okay, Dennis, we'll leave.